Welcome, riders, ridettes, and pillions. Believe it or not, today is my last day in Colorado. And for this video, we're going to do something a little bit different. Come ride with me. Look at this, guys. I'm using premium 91. Whenever I show myself filling the Speed Twin up with regular, people get mad at me in the comments, even though the owner's manual clearly states that it's rated for 87 or higher. But I thought, you know what? It's only $1 or $2 more per fill up. Might as well make the people happy and put in the good stuff. Oh, actually, before I go, I want to do something here. We're here at the Kittredge General Store, the gas station here in Kittredge, Colorado on 74 Bear Creek. These trash cans are covered in stickers, and they're about to be covered in mine. If any of you ever come here to this gas station, take a picture of my Van Blam sticker here on this trash can and send it to me. I will mail you a prize or something. Right there on the bottom. So what are we doing today? Well, you've probably already noticed that this video is a little bit different from my normal style. No music, no montages, no flyby shots, things like that. Minimal B-roll, if any. And what I'm doing today is a good old-fashioned motovlog. Just a dude talking in his helmet. When I first got into riding, this is pretty much all motovlogging was. This video I'm trying to do with as little editing as possible. Generally speaking, when you watch one of my vlogs, you know, the more narrative, short film type stuff, almost anything you hear me say is like the third or fourth or fifth time I said it to get a take that I was happy with. It's very rare. I would say about 20% of what you hear me say in my videos was the first time I said it. And that's part of why it takes me so long to edit this stuff. I would say a typical, you know, 12 to 18 minute vlog of mine probably takes me, I would guess, 25 to 30 hours of editing. You know what I'll do? When I edit the Himalayan video, the street versus dirt comparison, that little adventure, I will time how long I spend editing it, and I will put that on the screen. This is how long it took me to edit that Himalayan video. And this is how long it took me to edit the video you're watching now. Putting that number on the screen will be the very last thing I do before I export this file, so you'll know exactly how long I spent. I will always do those high production value videos. I love those. I'm proud of them. I'm never going to stop doing that, but it might be kind of nice to just take it easy every once in a while and give you guys something simple and straightforward like this. So like I said, this is my last day in Colorado. Tomorrow I put the bike on the trailer and drive to Ogden, Utah, spend one night, and then drive to Missoula, Montana, where I'll be spending the following 4 weeks. Man, it is cold up here. We are at the top of Berthoud Pass, heading west-ish towards Echo Lake. Got my heated grips on maximum. These things have been a lifesaver. These are the Coso Apollo heated grips. I've got an installation video on them if you want to check that out. When I first installed them, I got a comment on that video from another YouTuber, Gene, from the channel One Down, Gene Up, who you should absolutely be following if you're not already. She told me that I wouldn't only use these in really cold conditions, even just like moderately cool weather. It's just nice to put it on, you know, the lowest or second lowest setting and just keep your hands a little bit warm, and she was completely right, so thank you for that tip. But way up here, this is max power territory. You see that little light glowing an angry red. I'm not even going to retake that line. I'm gonna leave it in as is. That's something I would normally have said a second time, and then cut the bad one. So you might be wondering why I'm back up here at Squaw Pass now at the base of Mount Evans if I was just here with the Himalayan. I filmed that video on last Friday. That was Friday the this, and then today is Wednesday the this. And the reason is because when I filmed that, I was having some problems with my drone, and some of the footage that I got didn't come out great. It's doing this thing where the gimbal, the little camera gimbal, is like giving me this alert all the time saying that it's overloaded, and it was really, really jittery. What is this car? Oh, you're letting me go. Oh, thank you very much. That's polite of you. Probably going to be stopping soon. So anyways, yeah, I'm coming back up here to see if I can reshoot some of that drone footage. Alright, this will do. Actually, this is the exact spot where I stopped to film with the Himalayan. Thankfully, the weather conditions seem pretty similar to what they were on the day I shot that other video, so hopefully this footage will integrate fairly seamlessly. So the drone that I use is a DJI Mavic Air. The first generation, not the Mavic Air 2. Set you down somewhere relatively flat. All right. Got to remember to hit record. Cannot tell you the number of times I've flown all over the place, getting all sorts of shots and footage, and then I go to stop recording and it starts. I had never hit it in the first place. Very frustrating, but all right, here we go. Doesn't seem like too windy of a day today. Let's wait for these cars to go. I'm not going to want to use that with them there. All right, ready? We're going to get a little pan upwards. Here we go. Yeah. Mount Evans comes in. That's a nice one. If you watched my Himalayan video, you probably saw that shot. The other thing that I'm thinking might be going on is that the propellers might be getting worn out. They do have a finite service life, and it could be that like once that plastic has been fatigued enough, they're not strong enough to keep it stable the way it needs to. So it could be that a gust of wind that didn't used to throw it off course now destabilizes it enough that the gimbal can't compensate. See, okay, there we go. Now it's bouncing around. Do you see this? Look at this. So that's got to... Oh, damn. I'm guessing I came around the edge of that ridge and there was like a much higher wind speed. And it just couldn't compensate for it. I think the propellers must be worn out. Alright, do you see... What is going on? What is going on here? You gotta come home. Oh, my drone's very sick. Alright, I'm looking right at it. The drone is not bouncing around. Certainly not bouncing beyond the limits of the gimbal's articulation. And here, it says on the screen, gimbal motor overloaded. I'll take a screenshot of that. Yeah, something's wrong with the camera gimbal. Alright. Solve that mystery, sort of. I hope this is something that I can get resolved relatively easily. This drone is well out of warranty, and if I had to replace it, I don't know, man. I'd probably start a Patreon or something. Well, I at least got some good footage, so if you watched my little adventure with the Himalayan, then you probably saw some footage that was filmed today and not on the day that I had that bike. Today on this Speed Twin, we are going to go to one place that I have not been before, but I've always wanted to, and that's Berthoud Pass. I still think it should be pronounced Berthoud, but I understand that it's Berthoud. And that is a road that leads north from 70 up to Winter Park. Alright, we're on 70 now. Not much of anything to say on the highway, so I'll catch up with you guys when we are about to reach Berthoud Pass. What's everybody? Oh, we're looking at animals. Look, they have antlers. How neat is that? Oh, I think I spooked them a little bit. Sorry. Oh yeah, this is all covered in sand. Oh my god, it's getting real cold up here. I looked up the weather. It's supposedly in the mid-30s right now up here. My face is going numb. See, look at this. In the left lane here, that's all just a fine layer of grit. I would have liked to pass this guy in the corner, but I'm afraid to get any kind of lean angle at all on that surface. Let's see how we do in this corner. Oh dear. No. Nope, I am not taking this road at speed. This is just not the day for it. Not in these conditions. I'm just gonna go at the minimum fun speed, the MFS. This actually, if it were clear, this would be a very high speed road as far as like fun sporty roads go. In between these corners, these are long straightaways, long sight lines, 2 lanes, so you got room to pass. I bet you in the summertime you've got superbike guys up here doing triple-digit runs all day long. The scenery up here is just unreal. I really want to... don't do it, man. You said you weren't gonna. But I really want to. Oh, man, I can't help myself. I gotta do a montage. Hit it! That was fun. It was just a little montage. And it looks like we're at the top at some kind of trailhead. I wonder if there's an overlook. Well, if there is, we're not seeing it today. I'm not going in there. And there's Denver way out in the distance. Next time I see that skyline will be in my rearview mirror tomorrow morning. Well, this video has been a bit of a weird one for me, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you'd like to see more in this sort of... Holy shit, dude. More in this sort of OG motovlog style, then let me know. Oh boy, fender bender. Good thing we got 1, 2, 3, 4 cops. Why, yes, I do actually clean my motorcycle. In fact, I've probably cleaned it after every single ride I've taken since I got here to Denver. It's just that the streets and roads are so gross with winter shit, you can't keep it clean. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video today, and an especially big thank you for watching it all the way through to the end. I hope you're planning on sticking around to see what I get up to with my Triumph Speed Twin out in Montana. If you are, then make sure you click that subscribe button. As always, you ride safe, and I'll see you back here for the next video. Later.